In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Trello subscription. We'll start right on the Trello homepage. Once you're in, head over to your boards view so you can see your workspace at a glance. Open a sample board to get oriented. Before we move into billing, let's quickly tidy up a task so you can see how your board reflects progress. Find the card labeled Studying Science, drag it to the Done list, and click Mark Complete. Keeping your boards current helps you evaluate whether an upgrade would bring you value, especially if you're collaborating with more people or need advanced features. Now, let's navigate to your account controls. Click your account avatar in the top right corner and open Settings. From there, select Billing. This is your hub for plan details, payment information, and any changes you'll make to your subscription. On the billing page, click Compare Plans. This opens Trello's pricing overview, where you can explore your options side by side. You'll see tabs for Free, Standard, Premium, and Enterprise. Click through each one to understand what's included. Free is ideal for personal use and small, simple projects. Standard adds more collaboration power, making it great for growing teams that need extra board features. Premium introduces advanced views and admin controls designed for teams that want dashboards, timelines, and more granular permissions. Enterprise is built for organization-wide governance and security needs. Take a moment to read the highlights in each tab so you can match features to your workflow. Next, look for the estimated cost slider and drag it to reflect the number of people who will need access. This helps you model your budget. You can adjust it freely. This doesn't commit you to anything. It's just a preview pricing based on your team size. When you're confident about the plan that fits, you have a few ways to proceed. If you already know what you want, click Upgrade Now on the plan you've selected. If a free trial is available, you can click Try for Free to experience the features before your build. And if you're considering Enterprise, choose Contact Sales to talk through requirements like security, centralized billing, and deployment at scale. Choose the path that aligns with your team's needs and decision timeline. Back in the billing page, you'll enter your payment details. Click into the card number field and type your card information, then add the expiration date and the CVV. Make sure the billing address you provide is accurate. The country and zip or postal code should match the card's billing records to prevent declines. These fields are standard for secure payment processing. You'll also decide how you want to be billed over time. Use the toggle to switch between monthly and annually. Toggle it again to compare totals and confirm you're on the option you prefer. Annual billing often reflects a discount, while monthly gives you more flexibility. Pick what makes the most sense for your cash flow and planning. Before moving forward, double-check the plan name, the number of users you estimated earlier, and the billing cadence you selected. This brief review helps ensure you're paying for exactly what you intend. When everything looks right, click Next, Confirm Payment. This takes you to the final confirmation step, where Trello will summarize your choices and prepare your subscription for activation. That's it. You've reviewed the available plans, compared pricing, chosen the best fit, and prepared your account for an upgrade with the correct payment details and billing schedule. With your subscription set, you'll unlock the advanced features that support more structured workflows, deeper visibility, and stronger admin controls, so your team can focus on moving work forward.